Welcome. In this quick guide, we're going to walk through how to turn off email notifications for top posts and stories on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. If those constant notifications are cluttering your inbox, you're about to learn how to stop them in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account before continuing. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see several options, like Home, Messages, and more. Click on the one labeled Notifications. This is where X collects all the updates about your mentions, likes, reposts, and any trending activity that the platform thinks you might find interesting. Next, on the Notifications page, find the gear icon or the Settings button. Go ahead and click it. This will open up several notification control options. From there, you'll see a section called Preferences. Click on it and then select Push Notifications. This is the place where you can fine-tune exactly what kinds of alerts you want to receive or stop receiving directly from X. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Top Posts and Stories. By default, this feature is usually turned on. It's designed to highlight what X thinks are the most relevant or popular posts for you, but for many users, it can feel like unnecessary noise. To turn it off, simply pick the option marked Off. That's it. With that one change, X will stop sending you push notifications about trending or top posts and curated stories. And you're done. You've successfully turned off email notifications for top posts and stories on X. From now on, your email will be a little cleaner, and you'll only see the updates you actually care about when you want them. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more quick guides just like this one.